The wheels on a car can be extremely frustrating to clean, since they come in a variety of finishes, and many have intricate designs filled with tiny crevices and hard-to-reach areas. Multi-spoke or mesh design wheels are notoriously difficult, especially if you're just using a standard hand mitt for cleaning. Do yourself a favor and get a quality wheel cleaning brush. This way every inch of your wheels are spotless after a wash, without requiring a significant amount of effort. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best wheel cleaning brush. So let's get started. Number 5. Mother's Wheel Brush. Our top recommendation comes from one of the most recognizable brands in the car care industry. This wheel cleaning brush features a comfortable, non-slip grip to go with its soft and gentle bristles. It's designed to reach tight spots, and you don't have to worry about any accidental damage, since there's a protective rubberized bumper surrounding the head of the brush. We prefer using this brush over other options because of the simple, yet effective, raised dimples found on the handle. These dimples make the brush easier to grip when the handle gets wet. There's also an option for an extra long handle if you want to use the brush on other areas of your cars, such as the fender lining. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Chemical Guys ACC_G08. This fully synthetic brush is designed to safely tackle dirt and grime on your wheels, with its flogged chemical-resistant bristles with feathered ends. It features a durable plastic handle that is resistant to scratches and abrasions, but more importantly, it won't damage your wheels if it accidentally comes in contact with them. This wheel brush is also available with a longer handle, if you want to use it for other areas of your car, like the inner fenders or undercarriage. It's safe to use on painted, chrome, powder-coated, and polished wheels. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Viking Wheel Brush. This wheel brush is a bit different than our other recommendations, using a heavy-duty microfiber sponge instead of soft bristles. It's designed with an increased length and oversized cone-shaped head, making it easy to clean tight spaces and other hard-to-reach areas. Its metal-free construction means you don't have to worry about accidentally scratching your wheels while using this brush. The design of the brush also reduces the chance of bumping into your wheel while cleaning it, and the SureGrip TPR handle makes it comfortable to hold. The regular-sized brush comes with a red sponge, while the slim version is finished in blue. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Adams Wheel Woolies Brush Bundle. This bundle of 2 brushes comes from one of our personal favorite car detailing brands. If you don't need both brushes, they are sold separately. Featuring a 45 degrees angle, these brushes are designed to make cleaning behind your wheels easier. The small brush measures 1/3, while the large brush is 1/9. An easy grip handle offers a comfortable grip while using these brushes. Both brushes have 100% polypropylene black and red wool carpet fibers that are durable and resistant to chemicals. Soft and dense, these fibers clean better and last longer than some nylon bristles found on other wheel brushes. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Adams Wheel Brush. Adams is the only professional quality wheel brush that combines rubber edge scratch protection with ultra soft yet rigid bristle end hairs. It's just hard to beat the quality feel this brush has. Oh, and we love the thumb pit in the handle. It's crazy cheap, but it has no protective rubberized edges. It will, however, get the job done. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best will cleaning brush just for you.